we're halfway there. So, hi guys, all right. Yep, so we are back for day 14, and today is Friday, April 3rd, and that means it's the end of week 3. So if we go back on May 4th, that means that with April vacation, there's only 3, we're taking that out. There's only 3 more weeks left of this, so we have done half of our distance learning, which is so exciting. And I miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you again. All right, so we're going to maybe finish up our discussion of functions today. We might continue a little more next week. I'm not sure yet. We're going to talk about intervals, meaning sections of functions that do not make a straight line. All right, let's get started. And this is going to be a quicker video today because there's not a whole lot with this. All right, an interval is a period of time between 2 points or events. So we have this graph here where we have speed on this side, and then on the bottom, you can't see that, hold on. Go over there, okay, and then we have time. So this right here means that as time is increasing, their speed is also increasing. So that's section or interval 1. So that means that they're speeding up. Maybe they just started accelerating their car. Maybe they're speeding up onto the highway. And now, time is still increasing, but their speed is staying the same. So this means that they are driving at a constant speed. Maybe they're driving down the highway at like 60 miles an hour and their speed isn't changing. And now here we see that, so that's interval 2. And then now you see here that the speed is going down or decreasing, so that means they're slowing down. Maybe now they're approaching to get off of an exit, and that would be interval 3. So we have increasing, and then they're constant, and then decreasing. So big words today, interval, which is just between 2 points. So like interval 1 is between these 2 points here. That's interval 1. Interval 2 is between these 2 points here. And then interval 3 is between these 2 points here. And then we have increasing, decreasing. You guys know what those mean, to go up or to go down. And constant means to stay the same. All right, drag the letter. We're not going to do that because we can't, but I'll just write them. Drag the letter that identifies each interval to the correct type. So interval A is decreasing. So we're going to write A there because that's going down. Interval B, if you guys can, and then interval B here is constant because it makes a straight line. Well, I mean, they all make straight lines. I should say a horizontal line. Interval C is increasing. So this means that like they were driving at 20 miles an hour, and then they slow down, and then they were driving 0 miles an hour, so that means that they stopped, actually, completely. So they stopped for, like, a certain amount of time. Now they're speeding back up. Maybe they're going to be late for work, so they have to speed back up to get there. And then they go 40 miles an hour, so now they're driving constantly down the road. All right? So this means like they slow down somewhere, they stop, maybe they stopped at Dunkin' Donuts and got coffee, they got back in their car, they sped up again, and then started driving a constant speed. All right, so we have 2 intervals here, and I'm going to say this is probably like the dividing point. This would be an increasing interval. So something is going higher and higher. Maybe like you threw a ball up in the air. It's going higher and higher and higher, and then it hits its height peak, and then gravity is starting to work, and it goes back down and hits the ground. So that's like if you like throw a tennis ball up in the air. It's going to go higher and higher, and then it's going to start going down. All right. All right, so then, as you guys can see here again, constant is a horizontal line, increasing is going up, decreasing going down. And again, increasing is going up, decreasing going down. There's no constant interval there. Okay, the graph shows the speed of a boat as it makes an evening trip. So as we can see, at 5 o'clock, it starts speeding up. It coasts at like 20 miles an hour, then it slows down, and then from whatever this time is, this means that they were stopped because they were going 0 miles an hour at that point. Then they speed back up, they hit a cruise of 30 miles an hour, they slow down, they're stopped. They speed back up, they cruise again at 25 miles an hour, and then they go back down and they stop. So that boat's doing, I don't know what that boat's doing. They're doing a lot of different things. How many constant intervals are defined there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 constant intervals. Oh, what just happened? And then, how are they alike? So they are all alike because they're all horizontal. They're all horizontal and they're all constant rates. How are they different? Some go for different times. Like this was like a longer coast than these two here. So some go for different times. And then they're all at different speeds. Like here, they're at a constant speed of 20, then 30, then 25. And then they're at different speeds. So that's how the constant intervals are different. Okay, that was a lot of information. I think we're done. So now you guys are going to head to your Pearson, and you're going to work super hard, and then I'm going to see you on Zoom at 10. And I miss you all so much. Bye. I want to cry. I miss you.